Hello great people, it's wonderful to meet you once more. In today's videos we will learn about SUMPRODUCT function in MS Excel. This function multiplies the numbers in the specific range and return the sum of those products. So let's understand the basic application of this function. Before move on to data, please subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon. As you see, we have one table that consists of 4 columns. First column is item, second column is salesperson, third column is quantity, and last column related to concerned price. So the requirement is to calculate the total value of sold item. If we do without this formula, first add another column, then quantity cell reference multiply price cell reference and drag down this formula, and now sum all of these values. So for this we have another option without adding another column, just use SUMPRODUCT function. Simply we will type is equal to SUMPRODUCT array 1 quantity column cell reference comma array 2 price column cell reference, bracket close and press enter. We have calculated total sales value of these items are equal to $12,092. How this function works, let's understand. This formula takes the first number in the first array and multiply by its first number in the second array. Then takes the second number from the first array and multiply it by the second number in the second array, and so on. When all of the array elements are multiplied, the formula add up the products and return the sum. Now we have another situation that we have two conditions. Keyboard is first condition and second condition is Sultan, and now we have sum the sales value on the basis of these two conditions. Simply we will type is equal to SUMPRODUCT bracket open, select the item column, is equal to, type keyboard in quotation marks, bracket close, asterisk, bracket open, select salesperson column, is equal to, then in quotation marks type Sultan, bracket close, asterisk, in brackets give quantity column, asterisk, now give price column in brackets, and close brackets with two closing signs and press enter. So we have calculated Sultan keyboard sales value are $1950 only. इस वीडियो को देखने का आपका बहुत शुक्रिया. सब्सक्राइब, कमेंट, लाइक एंड शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा.